Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today I'll be taking you around this approved used 2024 model Volkswagen Polo match that is fresh in stock. It does come complemented in the stunning vibrant violet paintwork alongside housing a 1.0 TSI engine and manual transmission, making it the ideal Navy City upgrade for any individual. Top features do include your parking sensors, LED headlights and stylish 16-inch alloy wheels. Alongside the added protection of your power folding wing mirrors, you do have enough boot capacity to house your daily essentials. Followed in the rear by a comfortable cloth trim with access to your fitted ISOFIX points and central power outlets. The front does house your multifunctional leather steering wheel for further style and convenience, with access to your central touch display and again the comfort of your full cloth trim in the front. And for seamless navigation around the vehicle, you do have your various audio controls on the steering wheel with your options for your digital cockpit display with all of your vital driving data, various audio and navigation. And to help you on those motorway trips, you do even have the added bonus of your adaptive cruise control and speed limiter. Moving across, you do have your variation of radio stations and app connect to keep you well entertained, alongside your navigation, once again ideal for those who love to explore or find themselves in unfamiliar areas. Alongside your on-screen vehicle status, you do also have the activation of your sensors and reversing camera to guide you into those awkward manoeuvres. For a desired temperature, you do also have your on-screen climate controls with your main touch buttons below with your two front heated seats for the winter, followed by your wireless charging pad, power outlets and central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.